Today I'm in Wilmslow delivering a new BMW i3 tailgate, and the owner has asked me to replace it for them. So as when I removed mine I didn't get a video, I'm going to take the opportunity to record it and show you how to do it as well. So disregard these. It's a mistake I made before. What you need to do is remove the spoiler, which requires removing this piece of trim, and then you've got 5 10mm nuts which should loosen the spoiler. And now you'll uncover the 4 bolts attaching it to the hinges. So remove them. So before you completely remove the bolts from the bracket, you will need to disconnect all the wiring. Just goes down the driver's side hinge and into the head lining of the car. Let's see if we can get away with doing it just on this side. So now just follow the harness to anywhere that it's plugged in. Take the connectors out. So there are all the connectors that you need to remove, and then this part here, if you just twist it anti-clockwise, comes off the roof. That's all the connections on that side, and then on the passenger side you've got the rear screen wash. So on this side you'll be able to remove everything on this side, so that'll just drop down. So for this bit you will need assistance. At this point you need to remove the struts, or disconnect them from the boot lid, and obviously finish taking out the bolts at the top. So you'll probably want someone to hold the boot in this position here, ready to remove completely. if you go to that side. I've got this side.
Yeah.
That's everything. That is everything off. Just walk off with it.
Put it on grass, doesn't it? Wait, where is it going? This is good. No, we're the professional. Have you got it?
No, you might be able to. But no. Okay, I got it.
Yours? You need to go that way. Back.
Oh, I thought you got to hold the hinge at the same time. Right, I'll just go back to how you were holding it from the bottom.
Yeah. You got the weight
into the middle. I've got the weight this end. Just go into the middle. Help me look without.
Okay.
So once you've got the bolts supporting the boot, so they don't have to be fully tightened because you'll want to align it, just refitting the struts so that it's supported. And now it'll be easier to work on at the angle that we want it at. Thought it'd be a good idea to close it to check that it was aligned correctly, but obviously without these things connected, if you close it, it'll latch and you won't be able to reopen it without going in the boot and flicking this switch here. So that's how you can open it. If you close the boot and you can't open it from the outside, you'll need to get in the boot and flick this across to unlatch it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to connect all the electrics back up so that it can be opened from the outside again. Drop it down and check the alignment, so a panel gap on both sides, and go from there. So finally, with the electrics connected, I've loosened the top bolts with the boot shut, which means we can slide it from side to side and get the panel gaps matching. Once you're happy with the alignment, tighten up the 13mm bolts. Put the spoiler back in position and refit the 5 10mm nuts in these holes.